Hi and welcome back to my channel, Engineer Fucks Things Up, and I am the engineer. Today I will be tackling something that I have an issue with, and that is turbulence during long trips. So I will try to fit the spoiler right up here. Hopefully that will help with the turbulence on long rides, because I was on a long ride now, and at the end of the ride I could feel a slight turbulence on the helmet, and it was really annoying. So I want to address that issue, because it is almost tall enough as it is, but I want to see if I can make just a little bit better by putting the spoiler on here and getting rid of that turbulence. Here you can see my normal riding position, and as you can see, the turbulence is just hitting my helmet in the upper part. So it's a little bit annoying. And if I just lower myself a little bit down, the turbulence is gone, and I think putting the spoiler on will absolutely mend this problem. So I got this. It is a Givi universal spoiler, and I think it will be a good fit for the bike. And also it looks easy to install, it looks good, and yeah, hopefully I will be satisfied with it. To mount it, you just screw in these 4 Allen bolts, and you just clamp it on with you see the rubber, and you use the handle on the side to adjust the angle and height of it. So let's get it on. That is the spoiler mounted to the front windshield, and I think it looks pretty good. Later on I will take the bike for a test ride and adjust the angles, and hopefully the turbulence will be gone. I am Engineer Fucks Things Up. This is my channel. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.